Hello everyone. Today we have chain rule problem number 5. This problem was asked in Bank Recruitment 2009. This type of questions are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, Railway exam, UPSC, SSC, CAT, MAT, GMAT, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems with ease. So let's start. A canteen requires 651 bananas for a week. Totally, how many bananas will it require for the months of April, May, and June? So, here we have given that 651 bananas required for a week. Now, we want to find how many bananas will require for the months of April, May, and June. So, numbers total number total number of days, this is equal to how much? 30 days for April plus 31 for May and 30 for June. So this is equal to 91 days. So now let the number of bananas be x, required number of bananas. So more days, more bananas. So it means it is direct proportion. Therefore, 7:91 proportion 651 to x, and this is 7x equal to 91 into 651. This implies x equal to 91 into 651 upon 7. 7 से cancel हो जाएगा, 7 1 and 3 times. So this implies x equal to 13 into 651. This implies x equal to 8463. So this is our answer. It means a banana required for the month of April, May and June is 8463. This is our answer. I hope you liked today's video. For more such type of videos, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.